this is Dr. Augustine from Ed Wellness, explaining to you today cell exercise. This is a phenomenal technology to improve the health of your cells. Exactly what it says and exactly what it does. Cell exercise. Exercise your cells, because people find that they have barriers to healing. Things just don't change. Their organ systems and health issues don't improve. And a major contributing factor that we've found is that the health of their cells is a critical factor. Their cells can't take in oxygen and nutrition from their diet and from their food, and or the nutrients that they might be taking. Maybe they're taking supplements, so therefore nothing changes. Well, this technology delivers an energy field that penetrates all the way through their body and through their tissues to charge up their cells, to enable those cells to bring in oxygen and nutrients and therefore get rid of also metabolites, and all of a sudden their body comes back on board and things change and improve. So how this works is that our bodies are electrical. Each cell in your body has a charge or a voltage of 70 millivolts. In every illness, disease, and problem that we could run into, there's a loss of cellular charge. So normal is 70, painful and inflamed tissue, the cell charge drops down to 50. And if you have cancer, cancer cells are way down to 15 millivolts. So what if you could take those organ systems and tissues and put them into a pulsed electromagnetic field of energy, and therefore charge those cells back up to normal 70 millivolts? How we would do that is we would put a pad in front and a pad in back, and the energy goes in between. And you could charge up the liver on the right side, you could charge up the pancreas, you could charge up the heart, the gastrointestinal tract, the small intestine, large intestine. You can also charge up the brain. Why? Because the brain is the real doctor and healer for your body. So that's how it works. There's absolutely no risks to this. The only thing is that we can't put this on a person who has a pacemaker or defibrillator for their heart. We've used this with some people that actually have a insulin pump, but they actually just disconnect the pump and it doesn't damage the battery. We also recommend people take off their cell phones, put those away, also their key fobs for their car, put those away. So that's how this works.
Here we're charging somebody, actually my son, who has shin splints. He's a high-performance springboard diver, and he developed shin splints. He's having some tendonitis in his legs, so we're sandwiching his legs between these two pads, and we are charging him up. How you doing? So now we're going to do a full body charge. This table has a giant full body bed electrode that can charge up the whole body. So we'll turn it on, and we'll do it at 7.8 pulses per second. There you go, charging up the full body.